In this video, we will cover how to attach the M2 dash camera to a compatible Escort radar detector. The M2 dash camera comes with a 16GB micro SD card, a micro USB to USB Type-A cable, an owner's manual, and all mounting accessories, including the longer bolt for attaching the M2 to your radar detector. Remove the M2 dash camera from the box and familiarize yourself with the unit. After that, be sure to have your Escort radar detector close by. You will attach the M2 dash camera to your radar detector's suction cup mount. To begin, remove the existing bolt from the suction cup mount. Be careful not to lose the little washer. Next, take the longer bolt and the jagged edge washer that came with the M2 dash camera. Place the longer bolt through the opening of the suction cup mount, where the original bolt used to be. After the longer bolt is through the opening, set the jagged edge washer on the end. Take the M2 dash camera and fit it onto the longer bolt, next to the jagged edge washer. Then, take the smooth washer and place it on the opposite side of the M2 dash camera. Take the black cap and screw it back on, but don't tighten it fully, at least not yet. There is a good chance that after completing this step, the M2 dash camera will not be lined up correctly with your radar detector and windshield. Spend a few moments now ensuring your M2 dash camera points forward before attaching the magnetic suction cup mount to your Escort radar detector. Since the black screw cap is not yet fully tightened, it should be fairly easy to position your M2 dash camera. Once you are satisfied with the alignment of the M2 dash camera, go ahead and attach the magnetic mount to your radar detector. Then, connect the M2 dash camera to the radar detector itself. Both your radar detector and M2 dash camera will turn on with the USB power cord that came with your Escort radar detector. Instead of plugging that USB power cord into the radar detector itself, you will instead plug it into the side of the M2 dash camera. From there, mount and secure the entire setup to your windshield. One thing we recommend is moving the entire setup slightly to the left as you attach it to your windshield. That way, the M2 dash camera will film from the middle of your vehicle. Now you are ready to drive with your Escort radar detector and M2 dash camera.